the old square britches.
Girls, it's Prissy! Hurry! Prissy, did you lay an egg? Yes, she did lay an egg. And it's hatching. Oh!
A little baby rooster.
A rooster? We don't need no more roosters around here. We got one, and I'm it. I'll straighten this out in one cotton-picking minute. Now I say look at here. I'd better play it cagey. As I was saying, where is the cute little tyke? Hello there, boy.
Oh, hello. You must be that rooster whose job I'm taking over.
Hey, you're way ahead of yourself, boy. You gotta learn to crow first.